Hello friends. In the last video we have left from the question number 7. So we will start from question 8 exercise 1.1. Here we are given to verify a minus b is equal to a plus b, and we are given four different values of a and b. We just have to substitute the value of a and b in the given standard equation, that is a minus minus b is equal to a plus b. We have to verify them. So first 21 minus 18 is equal to, we can say on the other side, 21 plus 18 minus minus plus, so 21 plus 18 is equal to, we will get 39. So similarly, second question, a is equal to 118, b is equal to 125. Substituting the value a, that is 118 minus 125 is equal to, on the other side, 118 plus 125. So minus minus plus, so we will get 118 is equal to 243. Third number, a is equal to 75, b is equal to 84. Substituting the value, 75 minus 84 is equal to 75 plus 84. Minus minus plus, 75 plus 84 is equal to 159. Fourth one, a is equal to 28, b is equal to 11. 28 minus 11, we will get 28 plus 11 on the other side. Here again minus minus plus, so 28 plus 11 is equal to 39. Okay, all the answers is verified. So now question 9. Here we have to just substitute the signs of greater than, less than or equal to in the equation. Minus 8 plus minus 4, so it is equal to minus 8 minus 4, so it is minus 12. On the other side, minus 8 minus minus 4, so it is equal to minus 8 plus 4, so the answer will be minus 4. So now after minus 12 and minus 4, which one is greater? So it's easily you can say it's a minus 12 is less than minus 4. Okay. Now question number 2. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Minus 19 minus 3 is equal to minus 22 plus 7, so it is minus 15. On the other side, 15 minus 8 plus minus 9, again negative negative, so minus 18 minus 9 is minus 17. So 15 minus 17, we will get minus 2. Now out of minus 15, minus 2, which is greater? So minus 2 is greater. So minus 15 is less than minus 2. For the question number 3, 23 minus 41 plus 11. 23 plus 11, we will get 34. 34 minus 41, so we will get minus 7. On the other side, 23 minus 41 minus 11, minus 41 minus 11, that is minus 52. Minus 52 plus 23, so it is minus 29. Out of them, minus 7 is greater. So we have to write down minus 7 is greater than minus 29. Now 39 plus minus 24 minus 15. Minus 24 minus 15, that is minus 39. 39 minus 39, 0. On the other side, 36 minus 52 minus minus plus 36. So 36 plus 36, that is 72. 72 plus minus 52, so it is 76 to minus 52. So we will get 20. And all of you know that 20 is greater than 0. So 0 is less than 20. Last question, E. Minus 231 plus 79 plus 51, both the positive numbers is 130. Minus 231 plus 130 is minus 101. On the other side, minus 39 plus 159 plus 81. 159 plus 81 is 240. Minus 399 plus 240 is minus 159. So here again minus 101 is greater than minus 159. So we have to write down the symbol. Minus 101 is greater than minus 159. 10th question. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. The water level is at the 9th step. He jumps 3 steps down and jumps back 2 steps back. So, how many steps or how many times will he have to jump to reach the water level? So, see here, he comes at the 3rd step, then jumps back 2 steps. So, every time he jumps only 1 step down. So, similarly, he has to jump 3 steps down and 2 steps up. So, at a time he jumps only 1 step. So, he has to reach up to 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th step, and then after reaching the 6th step he will jump, then he will reach directly to the 9th step. So, he has to jump total 6 times. You can count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, one time up, one side down. So, total is 10 jumps plus last jump, that is 11. The explanation is given in the box downside. After first jump, you can see the monkey will be at step 1 plus 3. So, it's the 4th. And second jump, he will come back to the second step. Similarly, in the second jump, that is third jump, he will jump from 2 to, he will reach to 5th step. Then from 5th step, he will come again back 2 steps. So it is, he will reach at the 3rd step here, and then he jumps from 3rd step, he will reach to the 7th step. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, 6th step, and from 6th step again he will have to jump back 2 steps. So it is, he will reach to the 4th step. Now from 4th step he will jump 3 steps down, so he will reach to the 7th step, and in his 8th jump he will jump back from 7th to 2 steps up, so it is 5th step, and last from 5th step he will jump again to the 3rd step, 3 steps, so it will move towards down 8, and from 8 he will come back to the 6th step. So, and in his 11th jump from 6th step he will jump to the directly to the 9th step. So total 11 jumps he will have to make. Now question 2. After drinking water he wants to go back. For this he jumps 4 steps up and jumps back 2 steps down. So how many jumps will he have to jump? So here as shown in the figure you can see 4 steps up, 2 steps down. So at a time he will jump 2 steps. So we have to go for the counting here. If you have got the explanation, 4 steps up and 2 steps down. Now we will move towards the explanation. Here the calculation, mathematical calculation. So in the first jump, up means negative and down means positive. So after first jump, the monkey will be at the step 9 and he will jump upside, so minus 4, so he will reach to the 5th step. And when he comes down, we have to add from 5th step, he comes back to the 2 steps, so he will reach to the 7th step. 5 plus 2, that is 7. Okay. Now again from second step, he will jump 4 step upside. So 7 plus minus 4, as we have to, you know that upside is negative. So 7 plus minus 4 is equal to 3. And from third step, he will jump back 2 steps. So plus 3 plus 2, he will reach to the 5th step. Now from 5th step, he will have to make the last jump, that is 5 plus minus 4, so he will reach to the first step. That will be his last jump. So total he has to jump 5 times. Okay. Now third, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and number of steps moved up is by positive integer 1 and 2, minus 3 plus 2 plus dash is equal to minus 8, and second one b is equal to 4 minus 2 plus dash is equal to, so here you can see the steps written. downward is minus and upward is plus, so minus, you can count it, minus 3 plus 2, he will come to the first step. So similarly you can go on counting minus 3 plus 2, again second step. Okay, as he has to move to the 8th step as mentioned in the question. So how many times will he have to jump? He has to jump up to minus 8. So the result for that, how many times he has to jump? So it is 8. Now for B, 4 minus 2. So at a time he will reach 2 steps. So for coming back, he has to total jump. Okay, so here in answer 8 means 8th step. He will reach to the 8th step.